Welcome, Tarnished. Today, we delve into the thrilling world of Elden Ring, focusing on the best armor for light rolls, a crucial aspect of our journey. Light rolling allows for faster dodges and improved evasion, giving you an edge against tough foes. Understanding this mechanic is vital to your survival. When selecting light armor, consider factors like weight, poise, and resistances. These stats will significantly impact your gameplay experience. Let's take a quick look at the top lightweight armor sets available in Elden Ring, each offering unique benefits and designs. Now, we'll dive deeper into detailed analysis of the best light armor sets, starting with their design philosophies and in-game lore. First up, we have the set name. This armor not only looks impressive, but carries a rich lore that adds to its allure. Next, we explore the set name, which excels in vital stats and resistances, making it a formidable choice for your character. Each armor set synergizes uniquely with different weapon types and playstyles. Knowing these synergies can maximize your effectiveness in combat. To fully realize the potential of your light armor, implement these tips for maximizing your mobility on the battlefield. In conclusion, customization is key. Embrace your light armor choices and develop your unique playstyle in the beautiful, tumultuous world of Elden Ring.